You've probably heard the terms AI, machine learning, and deep learning used interchangeably. But they're not the same. In this video, we'll quickly break down the differences, once and for all. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the broadest concept. It refers to any machine or software that mimics human intelligence, like solving problems, recognizing speech, or making decisions. Think of AI as the umbrella that includes both machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI. It's about teaching machines to learn from data, without being explicitly programmed. For example, spam filters, recommendation engines, and stock prediction tools all use ML. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It uses complex neural networks, inspired by the human brain, to recognize patterns in massive data sets. Deep learning powers facial recognition, voice assistants, and self-driving cars. Here's a simple analogy. AI is the universe. Machine learning is a planet in that universe. Deep learning is a city on that planet. They're all connected, but not the same. Let's say you use a smart assistant like Alexa. AI helps it understand your request. Machine learning helps it learn your preferences. Deep learning helps it recognize your voice. Now you know the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. If this made things clearer, drop a like and subscribe for more under 5-minute AI explainers.